Saxon Math for 6th grade. Today we're going to be doing lesson 92. We're doing percent of change. You guessed it, these are ratio box problems once again. Our ratio box for all of these problems is going to look a little different than the ones we've done before. Please take a moment while I talk to draw this in your book. You're going to need this same box, give or take, for all of this work. What we're looking at today is something that has changed by a percent. So this is helpful if you think about the store. Maybe you went and there's a discount for 30% off. This would help you to solve that. We're going to have two columns, the percent and the actual. The actual may be a total or it may be a amount of money. We're going to have the original amount, the change, and then the new amount. The new amount is very similar to our total column that we had before. The only difference being that now we might have a change that's positive or a change that's negative. Let's try a few and see how we do. Using that box that you just drew, let's say I have a population problem. Population means the number of people who live somewhere. So let's say that in 1980, I know, a really long time ago, there were 120,000 people living somewhere. 120,000. That's our original amount. That's going to be 100%. That's all of them. That's 100%. And let's say that there was a 15% change in population. A 15% increase. So maybe they had lots more children, or some people moved to the town, and now there are 15% more people. It's now the year 1990, and we want to know how many people there are. Well, I could help solve for this, but that wouldn't help me find this. Oh, I can find my new number very easily. If originally I had 100%, and now I have a 15% change, that means that my new amount, whatever it may be, is going to be 115% of the original. Now this looks like something I can do. If I was to ignore this middle line, 100 divided by 115 is equivalent to 120,000 divided by x. Let's set up that problem so we can solve. 100 divided by 115. This is our original percent, and our new percent is in the same ratio as the actual numbers, which is 120,000 to whatever our new population is. Now we can solve the way we've always done. Cross multiply. 115 times 120,000 will give you an amount. That amount is the same as if you multiplied 100 times x. If I take this amount and I divide by 100, it will give me x. When you do that, you should find that the new number of people living there is 138,000 people. That wasn't so bad, was it? While I erase my numbers out of this box, please draw a new ratio box for percent and actual. We're going to do one more percent change today. All right. Now we're going to go to the store. We're going to buy something. Whatever our original price was will be 100%. Whatever our change is will go here. And whatever our new percent is will go there. So today I have something that's 30% off. Which means whatever price it started at is 100%. And then my change is going to be 30%. It's a 30% discount. Let's calculate now. If I have 100% and I have a 30% discount, so I'm taking 30% off, my new percent will be what? It will be 100 minus the 30. My new percent will be 70, which is why we don't call this a total column, because sometimes we have to subtract. Now, what if I told you that the new price, as marked on my ticket, says that it costs $24.50? Can you help me to calculate what the original price was? Let's solve the same way we did before. I don't need this column for right now. I might for other problems. But for this one, I can use that 100 to 70 is equivalent to X to $24.50. When I write that, 100 to 70 is equivalent to X over 24.50. Now use the same system you've used before. Cross multiply. That will give you an answer. That is the same answer you would get if you cross multiplied these two. Take this answer. You divide by 70. You should get X. Take a moment, please. Solve. What do you get? Oh, wait. Pause the video if you need to. Welcome back. Hopefully, you discovered that X equals 35. In this case, it would be $35 because we were using money. Use this same system and the same ratio box to solve the lettered problems today.